Hi everybody, my name is Desiree Fleck with FleckFarm Patterns, and today I wanted to show you all of the goodies that come in our FleckFarm Patterns Comfy Cozy Skill Kit. So as you can see here, we have all the different items that come in our kit. Of course, we have the drawstring bag to put everything in, so everything will come in here as handy to fit all of your yarn and your project while you're working on it and take it to go. These are the items that you'll be able to make from your kit. You can make a knit headband. These are our first patterns. We'll have more coming up, and this is the crochet one. So if you get the crochet kit, then you'll be able to make this crochet headband, and if you get the knit kit, you'll be able to make this knit headband. And you have enough for 2 in each pattern because you get the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Bulky. I really like this yarn for beginners because it's chunky, it works up quickly, and it's also very smooth, and it stays looking, the anti-pill stays looking nice for a really long time, and it's very squishy, and I just love it. Each kit will come with a button that's handmade with little hearts, so you can put it with your finished project. You can either put it on there or you can put it on one that you're going to make to give to somebody. The buttons come pre-strung with the yarn. Here's another one for the blush pink kit. It has the blush pink yarn already threaded on it, ready to go to put on your kit, so you don't even have to worry about threading that. I already did that for you. And ready to go, it'll be like this. We also have either, if you get the crochet kit, it'll come with the luxury crochet hook. If you get the knitting kit, it'll come with the bamboo knitting needles. I like bamboo knitting needles because they don't click as much when you're working, and they also are very smooth and nice. This crochet hook is really great because it has a bigger handle, and sometimes if you're working with the metal crochet hooks, it'll get kind of a slippery, weird feel, but this is just a plastic one, and it's smooth, but it has a rubbery grip down here and then a smoother plastic right here. So when the yarn slides, it won't slide all the way down your hook, and it's easy to hold on to. Especially for younger children learning, it helps as well. So you'll get one of these, depending if you get the knit or crochet. You'll get 2 stitch markers. These help you know what stitch you're on. We'll use these in the patterns, especially the crochet patterns and the beginner knitter pattern as well. These will come in a variety of colors. We have green, yellow, this one has pink and purple, so it just depends on which kit you get. The colors are random. And then we also have the large eye yarn needle. These will also be a variety of colors. I think there's blue, green, yellow, and maybe another color, but the one in this example is blue, of course. And this is great. This is used for finishing your projects and all of the different items to weave in ends and to mostly finishing. And so you'll need that. And these little items come together on the little card. So you have your needle and your beaded or your threaded button and the 2 stitch markers hanging right off the bottom, all wrapped nicely together. And then you also have the card, which includes a list of what is actually in the kit, and then on the back you have you can go to FleckFarmPatterns.com, or you can scan the QR code, which takes you to FleckFarmPatterns.com. And then there's 3 different ways to learn. You can download or print the pattern, which I recommend whether you're doing knit or crochet, and whatever pattern you choose. Currently we'll have the headband, the beginner headband patterns are lesson 1, and then we'll have the lesson 2 and lesson 3 coming out in a month or 2. And then follow along with the tutorial videos. We have tutorial videos throughout the lesson of learning the basics, from how to ball yarn to casting on, and every step that you'll need along the way. Or if you don't find enough, if you learn best, how do you learn best? If you learn best with personalized attention, you can also schedule an individual lesson with me online on the website. And then you share what you make. Love to hear from you. Facebook, Instagram, Etsy. You can also email us pictures of what you made, and how we can improve and how we can teach you better. So these are all the different things that come in your skill kit. I hope you enjoy this way. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have fun learning new skills. I think it's just great to be able to expand what we know and also benefit others. So you can give these to someone else, or you could use them for yourself, keep your head warm, and it's just a great thing to be able to learn. Alright, thank you so much for listening with me, and I will see you later.